What's up, my friends? I told y'all we were gonna make smoothies, and today is the day. We're gonna apply the KISS method to one of the most complicated topics humans deal with: health. Keep it simple, stupid. You remember that old Greek doctor, Hippocrates, that lived 2,000 years ago and said, "Let food be thy medicine"? Well, that's where we're going with this. And we gotta get started at the grocery store. See, so I gotta tell you, I kind of see eating healthy like a trade-off between nutrition and effort. How much time and energy does it take me to get the ingredients or the food and get them into my body? Which is why I love smoothies. They're simple. If you're prepared, you can make them in 2 minutes, have it in your belly in 5, and when you go eat Mexican food later that afternoon, it makes up for the difference. Have y'all ever heard that saying that the healthier options in a grocery store are around the edges? It's because it's closer to the earth. It'll spoil, so therefore they need back access to change it out more often. And the stuff that won't spoil is in the center. There are 4 ingredients we're getting: bananas, nuts, almond milk, and frozen fruit. Make sure you get the unsweetened almond milk and unsweetened fruit. So the nuts are going to be the most expensive part of your smoothie. I like to use about 1.5 cups, which is 6 servings, or you could use 1 cup, and that's what jacks the calories up. On average, a tree nut, is about 80% unsaturated fat, which is super healthy for your heart, arteries, helps lower cholesterol, provides a lot of calories and fat for the day. Although I don't use peanuts, after doing some research, it is debatable whether peanuts and tree nuts are any less healthy than one another. $22.87 for the ingredients to make about 5 smoothies. So there's probably some of you low carbers out there that are saying, hey, that fruit has a lot of sugar in it. Yes, it has 12 grams per cup. There's going to be roughly 2 cups in a smoothie, which is 24 grams of sugar. After doing some research, it is a general consensus that the vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and fiber you get from fruit is better for your body than the sugar is bad. Effort versus nutrition. I have rough measurements on this, but essentially you're just eyeing it. We're gonna start with 1.5 cups of unsweetened almond milk, which is about 45 calories and has 1 gram of protein. Then we take the fruit. This fruit is strawberries, pineapples, grapes, mango, and cantaloupe. And basically, we're just gonna put fruit in here until it starts to peek through the top of the milk. Roughly 1.5 cups of fruit. Put a banana in, a Cavendish banana, as they're the most popular in America. The average American eats 27 pounds of banana a year. They're 100 calories and have about 14 grams of sugar, 1 gram of protein. The fruit has about 14 grams of sugar per cup. And nuts. Basically, 2 handfuls of nuts. A serving is a 1/4 cup. It comes out to about a cup. These are raw cashews, pecans, walnuts, and almonds. They have 160 calories per serving, which means there's like 640 calories in the nuts. If you're trying to cut down on calories, then don't use as many nuts. Blend it for about a minute, and if you've ever had a friend with a Vitamix, you probably know how much they brag about them. A regular blender will work, but if you make smoothies for long, you're definitely going to want a Vitamix eventually. And I like to use quart jars. These are the perfect containers in my opinion. They're glass, very common. The lids all fit each other. They're a nice size to stack in the fridge. Over the years, this recipe has evolved into what it is now. Why eat a processed protein powder when you can add nuts straight off of the tree? Like, the goal is to eat as close to the earth as possible. All said and done, a 1-quart smoothie has about 900 calories, 23 grams of protein, and roughly 40 grams of sugar. Obviously, that's, give or take a little bit. What I'm getting at is that it's a full meal replacement. You can blend up one of these, drink it down quick, and be on your way. That's it. Full meal in a jar. I think I got it. Let's pull over and check this other camera. I feel like a real movie maker now. They're picking up everything right now because I got my lav mic on. Oh, I'm feeling so professional right now. The trick, I'm not the healthiest person in the world. And some sugar, but we'll just call it the good kind of sugar. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I love you guys. I see you soon and have a great night. Adios.